fast. Now, these profitable emails, you could use them when, you don't have swipes. You can adjust them. You can model them. You can do whatever you want with them. Now, I'm talking to you, future marketers, or marketers, really. 10 to 1, you're going to thank me for this. Let me just say this because, well, actually, but first, let me just say this. I can't even believe I'm going to tell you this. I cannot believe I'm going to tell you this after about 22 years of writing profitable emails and sending them out to my list and making millions of dollars. A few months ago, I actually went out and I caved in and I hired a copywriter to write emails for me. Now, I will tell you, I hired somebody, put him on retainer, and to hand me emails, and I paid him $2,000 a month. At first I was a little skeptical about him. My ego didn't really want it to work. I'll just tell you that, especially after sending over 5,000 emails and making over 8 figures just from sending emails. I will tell you, I'm talking every single year, making millions upon millions of dollars every single year. And I thought, no one could beat me. Now, I hate even telling you this. I hate to be sharing this. However, after paying him $16,000 and writing 219 emails, I made exactly over $2 million sending his emails out. I'll tell you this. What is it? You're probably wondering, what is his name? Well, I just call him my secret weapon. Well, let me just say, I really don't call him that because that's what I call my wife. But, okay, how about I just call him the mysterious Mr. X? No, someone that easily makes me millions. I got to keep his name sacred. Even my wife said, keep it sacred. Yes, I paid him $16,000 for them, and they're all yours here today. With your permission, what I want to do is this. I want to send you a zip file with with the 219 emails that I turned into $2.2 million that has the power to put your email business on super hyperdrive. Now, I gave a copy in secret to 10 of my friends online. I asked them if they thought the asking price was even worth it. All of them replied back with an enthusiastic yes. Most of them told me I wanted too little for it. Most of them even said I was insane, and I wanted way too little for it. Now, it's all 219 emails that I sent out, that I paid $16,000. You can simply click, copy, paste, send, whatever you want. It's all of those emails. I paid $16,000, which allowed me to cash in big in a few months. Now, simply clicking, copying, pasting, and then pushing send. It's truly a swipe file, to model, to adapt, to deploy. I'll just tell you, it's that kind of offer. Now, anyone can blatantly copy these adjust them, to get amazing results. They work for affiliate marketers, work for website owners, they work for product, creators, and anybody. However, here's the thing, this presupposes that you're a person that is willing to use something that is proven to work, because you want to make sure that you use these emails. You might not be able to keep up with the amount of fresh new sales notification alerts flooding in your email box. Now, I'll tell you the honest truth. This zip file is worth millions of dollars to me. I paid $16,000 for them, but it made me millions, and I do mean millions of dollars. Now, I'm only asking for not $16,000, for not even $997, not even $497, which I should do, not even $97, which by far you could get them for that. You should be able to get them, but I'm going to do it for the current dime sale price. Now, this is a dime sale, which means that the price is going to be rising after every sale, every single sale, until Tuesday night. Now, Tuesday night, I'm going to be taking this thing down, because as soon as the Tuesday night hits, I'm going to be removing this product. I don't care what the price is, and I'm going to remove it forever. You're never going to get it. So I'd hurry, because the price is rising, and it'll keep on rising until this page is taken down. I'm going to take it down. In fact, but here's the thing. As a special bonus, I'm going to hand you the emails that I personally wrote that generated over 8 figures, plus brought in over $118,000 sales notifications alerts. Let's face it, nothing's better than copy, paste, send. Nothing's better than that. Then click and then checking your email box and then seeing all these sales notifications. You got a sale, and then refreshing and then more sales coming in. That's the most amazing thing in the world. It's very, very addicting, and it's 1,000 times better than getting on Facebook and seeing likes. I'll tell you, my Gmail box is flooded with sales notifications all the time because of these emails. Now, last time I looked, there was over 118,000 sales notification alerts. I will tell you, it's crazy. But so basically, here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand you those emails that I sent out, and they're all the ones I had since 2004, because that's when Gmail started. Now, the same exact emails that I used to create all those sales notifications and those sales alerts, the same ones that I used to generate over 8 figures sending emails out, the ones that I simply send out, and all day and night I get sales, and now they're yours. They're all yours, ready to be instantly swipe and deploy. I could have charged a lot for this. I mean, I could have charged a lot for this. I could easily done that and charged you, $997 or even $197 and even $97 alone. But I mean, I could have done that. And if I did, I'll just tell you this, I would have made more money. But the fact is this, this is the honest goodness fact. I could have done that. But however, I decided to give them to you. I decided to give it to you because when you quickly buy my stuff online, I want to make sure that you're able to start make a lot of money online. It's just like me. Now, I'll tell you, and I feel if you don't have this instant swipe file in your hands, on top of that, you'll never need. I don't want you to have to rack your brain. I don't think you have to ever test your creativity. Only hoping to come up with a winner. I'm going to hand you the bottom line is this. The bottom line is this. Yes, this is a steal of a deal. This is an absolute steal of a deal. My wife thinks I'm absolutely crazy. My friends think I'm absolutely crazy. I mean, that's why this isn't just a dime sale. This is a time sensitive, thing because the price is rising after every single sale. It's going to keep on going. And somebody's probably going here. It's already risen since you've listened. But it's going down on Tuesday night. When the clock sets 12 on Tuesday night, I want to remove this page from the internet forever. You'll never see this again. This page is the only place where you can get this in the whole entire internet. And so I would hurry up. I would really hurry up. I would go click that button right now. I mean, I'll tell you, the price is already arriving. It's delivered instantly. That's if you really, seriously. But I'm going to tell you, this is current dime sale price right now. It's the cheapest that it'll ever be again. You got to hurry up. Go get it right now. And I'll tell you what, I'll see you on the other side.